Tony Bennett won his first Grammy Award 56 years ago in 1962. So what an honor to be standing here with you, sir, at the 60th Grammy Awards, especially in New York, New York.
I know that song.
If I could make it there,
I'll make it anywhere.
it's up to you, New York, New York. Now we're in New York. And now, this legend and I are thrilled to present the first award at the 60th Grammys for Best Rap Sung Performance. These are the nominations.
And the Grammy goes to...
Loyalty, Kendrick Lamar featuring Rihanna.
Chillin' only for the power in your name. Tell me who you loyal to. There's a love for the streets when the lights get dark. It's unconditional when the robbery don't stop. Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart. Tell me who you loyal to. Do it start with your woman or your man?
What's up, what's up? Hey, man. This is love. I appreciate every single last one of y'all, my fans out there, TD, the crew, Inner Skirt staff, Aftermath. Hey, Rihanna, what's up, man? Hey. She came through and gassed me on that record, gassed me on my own song or whatnot, man. So this record, this really belongs to her, real talk. So, yeah, come up here, man, talk about it.
Well, thank you, Kendrick, for giving me this incredible opportunity to be on such a great record. I love this record, and I'm honored to do this with you. Yeah. Congrats, you deserve this, man.
Hey, appreciate y'all. Love.